In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to batch export multiple files in Adobe Media Encoder. Batch exporting is a fantastic way to save time and effort when dealing with multiple media files. If you're often working with multiple projects that require similar export settings, you'll find this guide particularly helpful. First, let's begin by opening Adobe Media Encoder, fondly known as AME. Once inside, direct your attention to the Queue panel, which is your main workspace for batch exporting. Now, you'll want to add your source files to the queue. You can do this simply by clicking the Add Source button. If you prefer, you can also drag your media files directly into this panel. When selecting your files, make sure to choose all the media files you wish to export. Once added, you'll see that each file is listed as a separate job in the queue, neatly awaiting further instructions. Now, with your files queued up, it's time to choose the format and preset for each one. By clicking on the format and preset fields for each job, you can set the desired output codec and container, along with any necessary settings. If you're looking to apply uniform settings across all files, here's a neat trick. You can select all the jobs by using the shortcut Ctrl or CMD+A while in the queue. Once everything is highlighted, simply change the preset once, and it will apply across the board to every selected job. This approach not only ensures consistency, but also significantly speeds up your workflow. Next up is setting the output locations for your exported files. To do this, click on the blue output file path next to one of the selected jobs. This action brings up the option to choose your destination folder and decide on a file name scheme. Importantly, if you've got multiple jobs selected, the new path will automatically apply to all of them. By doing this, you ensure your exported files land where they're supposed to without needing to adjust settings for each one individually. Finally, it's time to start the queue and let AME do its thing. Ensure that you've double-checked everything, including format, preset, and output folder settings. Once satisfied, click the green Start Queue button, represented by a play icon in AME. From here, Media Encoder takes over and processes your files, executing them one by one or handling multiple jobs in parallel if your system supports it. Keep an eye on the status to make sure everything runs smoothly. There you have it, a straightforward guide to batch exporting multiple files in Adobe Media Encoder. With these steps, you'll be able to streamline your workflow and increase efficiency considerably. Thank you for watching, and happy editing.